This is Arsalan coming with the new video regarding the Facebook ads custom columns. Want to track exactly what matters in your Facebook ad campaigns? Let me show you how to create a custom columns in the Facebook Ads Manager so you can focus on the metrics that matter most. Head over to your Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. You will see the default columns showing metric like cost per purchase, purchase, amount spent, and this will be the default values. So click on the columns, drop down in the top right corner of your table, scroll down and select the customized columns. After approaching that, you can see the list of the columns. Here the magic, a list of all possible metrics appear. You can select and deselect the ones as per your need, like CPM, CTR, or cost per lead. For example, if you are running a lead generation campaign, select leads, cost per leads, amount spent, audience, and so on and so forth. So in the description of the video, I have built a pre-built template for your custom columns according to the niches. So I will attach two niches in the description of the video, like for e-commerce and lead generation. So you can select these custom columns in your campaign optimization. So once we have selected the custom metrics, for example, if I'm going to select the more metrics like reach, impression, frequency, the delivery of the ad set, CTR, and if I scroll down more, I can see the multiple reactions and multiple columns will appear. So you don't need to select all of them. You need to select the ones that are really important for your business needs. So once I'm done with the selection of the custom columns, I will drop down my cursor and apply on the custom presets. Once I'm done with that, you will see there is a change in the columns at my Facebook ad. So you can change the multiple columns ad per your need. So thank you so much. I hope this video makes sense and will help you in the campaign optimization. Bye bye.